Hello, my dear students. It's me, Sir A.D. Zardari, of your English teacher and mentor. My dear students, we discussed in the previous class there are 26 alphabets in English language, out of which there are 44 sounds that we are going to learn. Students always get confused in pronouncing the words when they start reading. They cannot clearly pronounce the words. My dear students, I hope after learning these sessions or listening to my whole videos, you will definitely again pronounce the words in a better manner, correctly, accurately. So, my dear students, if you want to make yourself native speaker, you have to learn the sounds. So, let's get started. The first sound that today we will understand, that is monophthongs. My dear students, mono means one, thongs means sound. So there are 12 monophthongs. 12 monophthongs, out of which we have three long monophthongs. I mean to say that we have to pronounce like this is E. For example, the word is E, and we have another that is U, U. It's a U, but we will pronounce U, E, U. Again, we have the last sound 12, ah. So, how can we understand it practically? Let's begin. My dear students, the word is e, sheep, beach. This is short e, lit, fit. This is third o. This is the o. We have to write like this. Got it? This is sound hot, pot. We have fourth sound. We have to pronounce. We have to go like this. Got it? We have to go upward. Ooh, school, fool. This is, again we have five. The fifth sound, this is the structure like this. Got it? This is like this. Foot, put. We have sixth, and, band. We have seventh, we can also write E, but the shape of E will be like this. So, the, got it? The. So, my dear students, if you want to write this the in a phonemic symbol, so we will write like this. Got it? Got it? The. Teacher. Here we are applying here this sound. Teach, a. So, my dear students, we have 8 sound, girl, shut. So we have ninth. I hope you are enjoying. And we have this sound O. So my dear students, we always avoid pronouncing the R. Whenever you pronounce the R, the pronunciation gets wrong. It's duh, floor. So we slightly pronounce. So we have tenth. We have like this A and E. So this is a sound we have to pronounce like this, in this shape. Man, cat, bat. We have 11th sound. It is called hut sound. It is, the shape of the sound is like hut. So we will name it a hut sound. For your understanding level, how can we pronounce? It's like hut. And, up. So we have last but not least 12th, ah, father, father. R is very silent. I met my father yesterday. So my dear students, I hope you are liking my videos, and if you have got knowledge, please subscribe and like my channel. Name of my channel is Grow and Glue with Sir A.D. Zardari. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.